In this demonstration, we're going to look at the accounts view that's available in the Sage SalesLogix iPad application. So we've launched the SalesLogix for iPad application, and we're now sitting on the home screen. And from here, we have the option to go to some of the main entities in the SalesLogix system. So we're going to choose accounts by clicking on it. And now we're presented with the list view of all the accounts in the database. And I also have a search bar at the top of the screen. And so if I type in a letter R, for example, it's going to restrict the list after I hit search to only those accounts that have an R somewhere in their name. So it is a contains type of search, and that's what you're seeing here. Now we can go back to the main screen. Now we can clear out our search by clicking on the X and click search again, and it'll take us back to the entire list in the database without any filtering. Let's choose Abbott Limited by clicking on it, the first account in the list. And now you can see that in a scrolling type view, a lot of the same information is available on the iPad application that's available in the traditional SalesLogix client, including things like the phone number, the ability to, with one click, schedule an activity, add a note, or even view an address on the map feature built into the iPad. We also have the details view, which has additional information, and any of these panels with the separator bar that have the blue arrow in them, if you click on that, you can actually collapse that panel to give you more screen real estate for the views you do want to see open. And so we can open that back up again by clicking on it one more time. And then down at the bottom, you see activities, notes, contacts, opportunities, tickets, and history. Those are going to present the same information again that you would see in the regular SalesLogix web client. So let's click on the History tab, and it'll load up all the history. And just like you could on the account screen, you can also search based on a contains parameter. And right now we're looking at all the history records organized chronologically. And if I choose this top one, by clicking on it, it'll show me all the details there is that go along with that particular history record. We can see it's a phone call, what the dates were, and any notes about it are also listed here. At any time as we've navigated deeper into this iPad application, if we ever want to go all the way back to the home screen, you just click on the little icon that looks like a house, and it does exactly that. It takes us all the way back to where we started. So that's a brief overview of the accounts view built into the Sage SalesLogix iPad application. Thanks for watching.